Vanakkam from Jakarta Airport, my ninth country and first time in Indonesia. Hola amigos and Salamakda from Sikrano Hatta International Airport, Jakarta CGK. This is my ninth country and first time into Indonesia. One would go crazy booking accommodations in Jakarta because the city is very large, it is divided into 4 parts, and the traffic is very insane. They don't have hostel culture, only hotels. Even the hotel prices are very cheap throughout the city. They have Holiday Inn for 2000, Ibis for 1500, NOVOTEL for 3000, Mercure for 2500, and all these other prices. I shortlisted Block M or Gajah for the stay and ended up staying at Mercure Kota in the Gajah at Manga Bazaar. Being a budget traveler, I thought of taking the public transport to my hotel, which is located 30 kilometers from the airport, but it was raining outside, so I thought of taking a cab through the Gojek app. It was charging around 480 rupees for a 30 kilometers ride, which was very insane. And the driver came, I politely spoke, he drove well, used card for the payment services, and we are here. No hassle, no scam, no nothing, no extra amount at all. And that is why we keep on going to Southeast Asia again and again. First impression, no staffs outside or no one to greet us or take our luggage inside. Interesting. The architecture and the looks are kind of an Indonesian style architecture, and that is why I signed up and booked this property. And hopefully the rooms are at least new and not the older ones or the outdated ones. So let us see how the rooms are. And the first impression of the room is nice. It is not the newest ones or not the oldest ones like I see in Bahrain or Dubai. This is kind of a mid between these two, and that is why I really like about this room. And the view is okay. At night it would look even better, I guess. And this is our room, a basic room which has a chair, a TV, a comfortable bed, places for a luggage, some offers at their restaurants, laundry services, and over here we have the restroom, a basic sink, and all those basic amenities restroom. And I don't like this, a shower over a bathtub. I don't like that for sure. And our luggage is here in no time. And then this is a storage space to keep our dress, hanger, locker, slippers, and all these things. 2500 rupees a night. Not complaining at all for this property. It is value for money. A small brief about the locality. Outside of this hotel, they have a chain of coffee shops called Coffee Kennigan. I really like their taste, and it's very cheap as well. They have a steak shop, Johnny Steak, and there are a lot of massage shops for foot massage, detox, and all other things. There is a BTS station just in front of the property, BRTS bus rapid transit system, which will take you to entire Jakarta. These BRTS have a separate lane even on the busiest road, which means you will reach a destination earlier than taking a taxi. Only these two lifts can be used by the hotel guest. This one directly goes to the presidential suite, and this is a service lift. So, the view from our room. Well, this is the view from our room, and over there is the Jakarta Hotel, a well-known hotel and a nightclub. This is the NOVOTEL Gajah and Holiday Inn Gajah, and has some high-rise apartments and a mix of all other things over here. Well, our property has a swimming pool and a small jacuzzi pool as well, and a small kids pool as well. Okay, so let us now try out the room service. It's 1 a.m. in the midnight now. Hello, can I get a water bottle? 1019. Okay, thank you. And in 9 minutes 20 seconds, the water bottles are here. AK views about this hotel. A good place to stay at a good location with all good connectivity, a neat room, good service, no complaints at all for the price we pay. It is definitely bang for the buck or value for the money. To be honest, the interiors are not brand new, it is not posh, but it is manageable, it is good, and it is not that bad at all. But if you need those posh interiors, there is a hotel called NOVOTEL Gajah, just opposite to it. You get all those posh luxury interiors over there, and it costs around 4000 or 3500 Indian rupees per night. Most of the rooms in this hotel are the traditional style rooms. That is, in their restroom, the shower is on top of the bathtub. That is, to use the shower, you have to get inside the bathtub and use the shower. Well, I'm okay with it, but if you have any senior citizens or anyone with leg issues or anyone not comfortable with this, then I wouldn't recommend to choose this. Instead, there are many alternatives, and one alternative is NOVOTEL Jakarta Gajah, which is just opposite to this property. AK views on this city, Jakarta. I went there for two reasons. One is bullet train, other one is the return flight back to India. 4 nights booked. I had no idea what to do, but I really loved this city, Jakarta, except for the traffic. It kept me engaged. Cheap food, healthy food, tasty food, quality food, lot of things to do, a good nightlife. Everything was sorted and balanced out. One such city I would definitely come back for sure, hopefully very soon. So that's it from this video and from Jakarta. The next videos will be of the bullet train and the return flight back to India on Singapore Airlines first class. So stay safe, cheers, and bye bye.